Does your glass or windshield need repair or replacement? Whatever your auto glass needs, our certified technicians at Ever Ready are ever ready to be of service. With 20 years of experience, we take pride in being a family-owned auto glass business where every vehicle worked on is treated like one of our own. And because your satisfaction is our priority, our auto glass service comes with a free chip repair lifetime warranty. That's on top of the standard workmanship guarantee. We use only 100% original equipment for your vehicle. We have the highest standards in quality and service. That is why we are a preferred shop when it comes to your insurance claims. This means they actually recommend us and guarantee our work. No pesky inspections or long offline verifications that take time and effort. Only fair and reasonable rebates, fast, hassle-free, and reliable. We get you top dollar for your replacement up to $150. We even offer a complimentary vacation package with your replacement if you choose. And it only takes you 60 seconds. Take the Ever Ready rebate review to see how much you qualify for. Just click on the link below for more details.